What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and today we are going to be doing an install of my new tonneau cover on my 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. Alright, so inside the box you get 6 of these clamps, which I'm assuming is going to hold the rail that's going to attach to the tonneau cover. And then essentially you also get the tonneau cover that's going to go across both rails and then roll out towards the end of the truck. So we're going to go ahead and install these real quick and see how it looks. And really quick, as you saw, there is a handle here that if you pull down, it releases the cover and you can roll it up. And the way you add it on, or you attach it on and close it, is these little pieces here at the end. Basically by tension, go against the rail and lock in. So there you have it, the tonneau cover from Yitamotor installed on the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. I have the 5.5 foot bed, but they do make multiple sizes if you have a longer bed. If you're interested in this product, I will leave it in the description below so you guys can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.